Who is ready to go to the water park today?
Me! I want to go on the biggest water slide.
I want to splash in the water.
Before we go anywhere, everyone needs sunscreen. The sun is very strong at the water park.
I look like a snowman, Mommy.
My turn next. I do not want a sunburn.
Everyone buckled up? Safety first.
Buckle, Dad. How much longer?
Almost there. I can see the water slide. Whoa! This place is huge! Look at all the slides!
It is like a rainbow paradise.
Welcome to Splash Lagoon, kids. Look here, kids. These are the pool rules we must always follow.
No running.
Got it, Dad.
I already have my floaties on.
Good girl. These rules keep us safe. Welcome to Splash Lagoon. I am Sam, your lifeguard. If you ever need help, just wave your arms and call for me.
Wow, you keep everyone safe?
This is our spot. Remember this umbrella so you can always find us.
Can we go swim now, Mom, please?
Yes, but this is so much fun!
Look at me, Dad! The water is tickling me!
Splash all you want, but stay in the shallow part. I am watching you both.
Splash War! You cannot get me! Got you, Max! I win!
This was a great idea. The kids are having a blast.
Just keep your eyes on them. Water parks can be dangerous if we are not careful.
Do not worry.
That slide is the coolest thing I have ever seen. I have to go on it. Am I tall enough?
Wait, Max. Look at the sign. You have to be this tall to ride.
But, Dad, I really want to go.
I know, buddy. Let us find a slide that is just right for you.
Okay, Dad.
This slide is perfect for me. Here I go.
Slide down, Max. I am right here to catch you. Ah.
That was awesome.
Let us practice your kicking, Eva. Kick, kick, kick.
Look, Mommy, I am swimming.
You are doing great. Snack time. You need energy and water to stay strong in the sun.
Swimming makes me so hungry. Let us race our boats, Eva. Mine is the fastest. No, mine is winning. Go, little boat, go.
Come on, Eva. Race me to the big pool. Max, wait. The floor is wet and slippery. We are not supposed to run. You are just slow. Whoa! Wah! Ow! Ow! My bottom hurts.
Max, this is exactly why we never run on wet floors. Walk slowly. They're slippery.
Wow, this pool is so deep. I bet I could swim across it. No, Max, the sign says deep water. Mommy said to stay in the shallow pool.
Whoa, it is really deep. I cannot even touch the bottom.
Oh.
Maybe Eva is right. This is too deep for me without Mom or Dad. Max, you must never go near the deep pool alone. Lesson 2, only swim in water that is safe for your size and always with an adult.
These floaties are a little tight. Maybe I can swim without them like the big kids.
Eva, sweetheart, you must always keep your floaties on. Lesson 3, if you cannot swim well yet, floaties keep you safe in the water.
Hey, want to play beach ball with me? Yeah, I am Max. What is your name? I am Leo. Let us play catch.
No dunking, boys. Lesson 4, never push or dunk anyone under the water.
Catch, Eva. I caught it. Nice catch, Eva.
Max, where did you go? Max? Leo? Where is everybody? I want to find Max. Max must be over there by the big pool. I hope I find him soon. I do not like being alone. Max, there you are. Wait for me.
Oh!
Whoa! Help! Please help me! Help!
Eva? EVA! Where is Eva? Sophia! I hear Eva! She is in trouble!
There! She fell in the deep pool! EVA!
Oh no! My baby! How did she get all the way over there?
I am coming, Eva! Hold on!
Move, move! My daughter is in the water! Eva! Daddy is coming! Just keep your floaties up! Child in the deep pool. I am on it. I have got you, Eva. Grab onto the buoy. You are safe now. Sam!
You came! I was so scared!
You did great keeping your floaties up and calling for help. Sam, thank you so much. You saved my daughter's life. It is my job, sir.
Bye, Sam. Thank you for saving me.
Stay safe, junior lifeguards. Come back soon! Thank you for everything, Sam.
Everyone buckled up? What a day, huh?
I am so sleepy, Dad. Today was scary, but I learned so much. We all did. Water safety is so important.
Max, thank you for hugging me when I was scared.
Always, Eva.
That is what big brothers are for. I will always keep you safe. Best brother ever. I am putting my badge on my wall so I always remember the water safety rules.
That is a wonderful idea, Eva.
We are so proud of how brave you were today. Today, Dad freaked out, but we all learned water safety. I love you all so much.
And we will always follow our safety rules together.
Best family ever. I love my family.